Double consonants. Double B. Libby the rabbit is blowing soap bubbles in her. Double D. Mr. Muddle fell down in the middle of a puddle while solving a riddle. Double F. The Daffy the giraffe was trying to sniff a daffodil. Double G. Mr. Egg wore new goggles to see a gaggle of geese. Double L. Holly collected balloons and jellies from everyone in the valley. Double M. Mummy asked Jimmy to find the hammer. Double N. Granny scolded Annie for annoying her nanny. Double P. Floppy the grasshopper ate lots of pepper at supper. Double T. Little kitten broke a kettle and a bottle after slipping on some butter. Double S. Princess Blossom was cross on losing a game of chess. Double R. Jerry the parrot's eyes are blurry. He thinks that the blue barrel is a huge blueberry. Double Z. After drinking a fizzy drink, the fuzzy grizzly became dizzy. Find the picture which has a double consonant up in and write its name. Then say the word aloud. Find the picture which has a double consonant vs in it and write its name. Then say the word aloud. Find the picture which has a double consonant b in it and write its name. Then say the word aloud. Find the picture which has a double consonant rar in it and write its name. Then say the word aloud.